Some my people, so boy, soup, aka at the verse, aka waiting man do man. You know, say, I already tell people, say, waiting man do man. And some people, they already complain. Say, why they say waiting man do man? I won't explain everything to you today if you're ready to listen. So people would say, women are wicked. Women are wicked. Let me tell you. Some women are wicked. But 80% of women, they are good. Without woman, without woman for this life, nothing will work. Oh. Nothing will work. I want to explain everything for you now. Number one, let me come for social media when me and you day. If you they do something for social media as they do comedy, they advise people. So a lot of men, once they see them, get out, go and hustle. Your mate, they hustle for street, you go to talk rubbish for line. Hustle, don't you know if you hustle, you know if you do this one, you go to talk rubbish for line. Which hustle pass this shout when they shout for you? This say online, then the Davido, P Square, all those big artists. Now this through this social media they make money through this video. And they do as some men they say I'm not serious for life. Life don't tire. You know if you hustle, you know if you do this one, now you gonna talk rubbish. The same video when they do when you call rubbish, when you don't agree share, you don't agree like, you don't agree comment. The same video, I know how many men, how many women and girls, when they call me, they thank me, say, so my video, they advise them, they encourage them. But men can never call you, tell you, say your video, they advise them. Because they don't believe or say you don't know what you they do. They know they support you. Men don't just they say men, some of them, they only support you. 80% for people when they support you, now women. Number one, see this girl when they show herself now for social media, when they don't naked everywhere, I see for you. I go research for her page. 4 years ago, this girl was preaching to people. Nobody follow her. Nobody like, nobody comment, nobody they follow him. No man, no girl, boy, they follow him. But now when the girl called the naked or for social media now, I go enter my Facebook. Since the person they do live or you do video, 4,000 go they watch person for YouTube for life. Now this girl, because he they naked. And when I check people when they share and pass, when they view them, now men and boys. Why? Because they know say the girl they do rubbish. Now there they focus. But people when they give you advice how you will take live life, how you will take better, once you come, they will this one life not tired. They not go focus. But women, they focus, they will listen. Women always listen. That's why you see say some women they are very intelligent. Men not ready to listen. All their own are to find money anyhow. You don't go school, money. They just believe on once you put money for table, the rest things now woman. Help your woman know as you put money for table now, you will get 3 children, leave all the work, everything, leave her for the woman. At the end of the day, if the woman call they suffer for your hand, if you call they rethink now they think say they call they rethink, they say you no love her, like they want they do change mind for you. You're gonna say, which type is the woman? They say that Benin. No, I talk now. Benin women are not good. Oh, shut up. Who does say Benin women are good? When they write for Bible say Benin women are good. Now you know good. Check yourself. I will do video for some men free. Oh, if I sit down for the finish, they don't call you say thank you, bros. You know how many? I don't want to mention them. But if I do video for girl or woman for free, the next 30 minutes, if I sit down for her, if they call me, wow, I'm very happy. Thank you very much, bro. Thank you. I appreciate. I go belly full. But know how many men I don't do video for them. No, they call me back. I will even write the message for WhatsApp. The same WhatsApp when they send me picture. I will write the message now. They know the answer. They know the check up again. Men, what do men do, men? You know how many men, women help for this Europe? Women, now they help men pass for this Europe. Which man don't help man? Come man and say, brother, I don't come you. I did Sicily. Don't want to stay camp. May you get document. If you get document, I will position you. Get the state document. Call her now, brother. I don't get document. They don't give me document. Why if you say no be last month you just call me? I not there now. I dey Holland. He go scam you. Some men, but woman call him. He must carry you. He will say, come. He will put you for house. From there, you will find life. I know how many people when women don't do that kind of thing. Even say the woman not there around, you go sit there, you go even control you give person, or you go save money give you. Women, they don't help men for this Europe. Now the truth be that. But I know say the truth is bitter. They don't want to hear the truth. If person they do video, check people when they share and when they comment, when they appreciate you. Now women many pass, now guess many pass. As far as say not be nakedness you they show. Now women and guests now them many pass for inside. But if na nakedness you they show, all those rubbish things. Now men, boys, and then many pass. Small time they say, wait man do man. What man do man? You know how many people they sing music for this Europe? Share, like, comment, subscribe. No, men. Also, you know how they go to sing, what did they sing? Now so them Two-Face they singer. Now so them Timaya they singer. You know, go like, no go share, no go comment, no go subscribe. But women, they get the soft hearts. Women, no matter what, women, they get the soft hearts. Past men, they don't be mates. If not only men did this life, it just be like say that's so now hellfire. In any angle, check out women now they make this life the sweet. In any angle, now women. Forget what they do for Bible Adam Eve. Now women. We know say some women no good, but 80% of them, they're good. They make things they happen. If women no dey, many things will fall. Social media, all those music, everything, they will first fall down. I mean to say, now everything, many things will fall down. Because men, if you say na man, na you most support for what any career where they bring come out, na lie. Na lie, they want kill the career self. They will first of all use, if na birthday they wish people, they first of all use birthday close your channel. If they don't say you they do anything, they first of all use free something, close the channel. Oh yeah, my brother, my this one, my that one, they will close the channel for you. And if you know they do them again now they will still they tell you say, you know that they're not talking. I first thing make I they will make I know where you want to do this thing rich. Such hearts, men, what do men do men? I don't get to the time today.